Pero yung other remedy, because you belong to one branch of government na co-equal with the two other branches. Proper remedy ba yung pagtakbo sa Supreme Court? Para naman puwersahin yung mga senador na gawin yung kanilang mandato under the Constitution. And actually, there's an existing petition to that
Pending,
effect.
hindi. Christian, pending na yung case. Ayoko mag-comment, pero of course may opinion ako doon. Pero ayoko na lang
Di
sabihin.
ba natin pwede pag-usapan yan?
Ayoko na sabihin, pero hayaan ko ng Korte Suprema. Na I believe kung ano man yung decision, sa tingin ko, I believe na yung decision ng Supreme Court, yun yung tamang decision. No? I believe alam na nila yung sagot.
ang ingat nyo naman, Senator. Nagkikwentuhan lang tayo rito eh.
Hindi,
Yan sa akin.
ayoko na pangunahan. Anyway, ano na lang yan. Let it be. Tingnan na natin. Gusto ko rin malaman how the Supreme Court will resolve it. Tingnan ko.
Pero in terms of jurisdiction, you agree na meron jurisdiction ng Supreme Court?
In terms of our citizens running to the Supreme Court, di ba? Going to the Supreme Court, resorting to the Supreme Court procedure. Okay yun. I mean, that's available to the people. Pero gano'n naman yun eh. Then the Supreme Court will decide kung meron silang jurisdiction, pwedeng under the law or the rules of the court, clearly wala silang jurisdiction. Pwede din nila sabihin, this is a political question.
Precisely.
Hintayin na natin. Oh.
So, hintayin natin. Pero yung isang punto naman, yung pagpunta naman ng kampo ni Sara Duterte also sa Supreme Court para ipatigil naman yung impeachment trial. Pwede ba siyang dumulog doon, sabihin, itigil yung trial?
Yung thought processes ng court to resolve that first petition will be the same thought processes for the Sara Duterte petition. Ganon din. Whether or not is this a political question? If we involve ourselves in this question, can we enforce it? Yan ang mga ganon tanong.
Okay. Pag-usapan po natin yung tentative calendar na inilabas ni Senate President Jesus Escudero. Magsisimula pa lang siya June 2. Diba? Yun yung oath-taking. At magiging parte pa kayo nun. At kung masusunod yun, July 30. Actually, baka the following day pang araw, sabi niya, yung start ng mismong trial. Ano ba nakikita niyo mga complications or problems kung masunod itong calendar na ito after elections pa?
Well, ang main objection ko naman nun is not against the calendar. It's about the start of the proceedings. The June 2 is almost February, March, April, May, June. 4 months after the filing. So that's that forthwith proceeding already. Yun na kay point. Pero yung June 2, okay na. June 2 niya, June 3 mag-oath, June 4 summons, 10 days, June 14 sasagot na. Depende sa rules namin kung may reply kasi ang dinadraft ko, Christian, wala nang reply. Answer na lang kasi kayo na nga, ang House na nga ang nag-charge eh. May articles of impeachment na kayo eh. That should have been very comprehensive already, and then the impeached official will answer, and then go na.
Wala nang rejoinder, mga ganun.
Wala nang reply rejoinder. Dapat yung articles of impeachment comprehensive na yon, and then yung answer mo comprehensive na dapat.
Okay. Actually, ito, may mga naisip akong complications yan eh. Lalo pag tumawid yung impeachment trial po from the 19th Congress to the 20th Congress. What could stop the new set of senators from questioning the rules that were adopted by the previous set of senators? Di ba pwede po mangyari yun?
Pwede, kasi nandun sa dulo natin, ang last rule natin is how to amend the rules. So, it can be amended by the court itself. But anyway, Christian, yung atin namang proposed rules, they're so general and familiar already with the stakeholders in the court system, in the judicial system, the practicing lawyers. I mean, walang out of this world naman doon. So, kung meron nga silang i-amend doon, so be it. But there is a provision on how to amend the rules. Karati naman ganun eh. Oo.
Pero pa nagsimula po ba impeachment trial? Pwede bang palitan yung rules in the middle of the trial?
Oh, I mean, sometimes nga may motion doon, i-waive mo nga yung rule, pwede. Yung requirement ng isang rule, pwede mong i-waive eh.
Pwede
O ganun,
yun.
pwede lahat yan. Basta ganito, basta we will not prejudice the interest of the impeached official, to be fair. Yun yun.
Okay.
And then also we will not also make it more burdensome for the prosecutors. Kasi at the current state of the laws, of the rules, nag-comply sila eh. And then sasabihin mo, tapos hindi natin pwedeng biglang dagdagan ng requirement na hindi na compliant yung final nila. Hindi natin gagawin yun.
Yun nga, parang nagsimula na yung basketball game tapos biglang nag-usap-usap.
Correct.
Lagyan natin ng 4-point shot, hindi 3-point shot lang. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun ka-problematic, hindi po ba?
Hindi pwedeng gano'n, pero kunyari nag 3-point shot, stepping ba o hindi, pwede nang i-waive yun.
Okay, oo, tama. Basta hindi out of the ordinary yung refinement.
Nakuha mo yung analogy
Yes.
natin.
Yes. Okay, eto. Kasi iniisip ko yung calendar. 'Di ba, pinag-uusapan dito shall forthwith proceed. Yung trial po ba, ano ba ibig sabihin ng trial by definition? Yun ba yung talagang nililitis na or can that refer to the preliminaries? Kunwari, mga submissions.
Ang ginamit kasi, trial. Okay. Pero pwede mo sabihin the proceedings. The proceedings shall forthwith proceed. Okay. But no matter how you read it, trial man or proceedings, still we are not complying. If the present Senate is not complying. Kasi pag sinabi mong proceeding, sana na-serve mo na yung summons, pina-answer mo na, tapos nag-ano na kami, naggagawa na kami ng court calendar, ganun sana. Pero ginamit ng Constitution trial, mas stricto pa. 'Di ba? Ako na nga, gusto ko na nga maging liberal na proceedings, shall forthwith proceed. Pero ito trial. So, if it's the trial and there are some preliminaries before the trial, therefore, gino-joke ko na nga yung speed mo dun sa preliminaries, speed of light. Kasi yung trial mo, forthwith di ba?
Tama. Dapat mas mabilis pa.
Mas mabilis pa.
Universal speed limit po sa kaalaman ng iba. Light, speed of light, universal speed limit, no? Teka, kung hindi kasi iniisip ko, no, doon sa calendar po ni Senator Cheese, anong gagawin ng mga senador between now and June 2? Kung yung mga
Aral.
Puro aral.
Mag-aral, maganda.
Parang summer class na yun,
Basahin ang articles of impeachment. Daanan lahat ng ebidensya nakakabit. Yan.
Hindi ba nag-aaksaya ng precious time yung Senado po rito? Kung 4 na buwan puro aral, kung yung preliminaries pwede nang gawin.
That's the point. Yun na nga, because si Senate President, and I believe that he has the backing of the majority, I believe that his reading is that the Senate cannot take cognizance of any article of impeachment filed unless the Senate is in legislative session. That is what I get from his pronouncement. We have to be in session as a legislative body. So, kaya nga yan ang basic disagreement ka namin. Kaya nga ako sinasabi ko, there is a legislative session, there is also a court session. Iba yun.
Oo, magkaiba nga. Oo, precisely.
But apparently he disagrees na ang kanya, we can only have that separate life form na court kami, but we have to start as a legislative body. Yun ang kanya.
Okay. Yung pre-trial, you agree with that? Yung sinasabi niya dapat may pre-trial.
Tinanggal ko.
At tinanggal niyo. Bakit po?
Kasi hindi ba pang delay siya? Pag sinabi trial shall forthwith proceed, tanggalin na. Wag natin let us not consciously add some preliminaries. Because sinabi trial shall forthwith proceed So, as much as possible, wag na ako magdagdag o mag-imbento ng proceeding na mas will push back trial.
Okay.
So, I am not recommending that the pre-trial or a preliminary hearing or conference be placed in the Senate impeachment rules. But, ito na lang, aaminin ko rin, But upon motion of any of the parties or even both of the parties and approved by the body, part na ng buhay ng court yon. Yeah,
Mm.
motions can be granted by the court.
So pwede nang yung mga marking of evidence, pwede nang gawin yun sa actual trial. Wala na mga pa.
Pwede nang gawin sa actual trial, but kunyari sa court calendar, makita natin may gap naman na let's say 10 days o 15 days. So, pwede na rin mag-order ang impeachment court. We are flexible enough, Christian.
Mm.
The court is flexible enough that we can now pass an order directing the clerk of court, the Senate Secretary, to call the parties for the marking of evidence. So pwede naman yun. It will not waste the time of the court then. It will not also delay the trial. Pwede lahat yan.
Naalala ko yan kasi ng 2012 impeachment trial po ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Yung mga boring parts or preliminaries, nangyari yan during the trial itself, hindi po ba? Yung marking of evidence. Kaya yung iba nanonood sa TV, ang boring pa nito, wala pang action in short. So pwedeng ganun din yung gawin po.
Pwede gawin yun.
Okay. Usapan po natin
Pero
quantum
and
of
then,
proof.
pwedeng
Sige.
gawin Christian, and no need to specifically state that in the rules. No need.
Okay.
Kasi the flexibility is built in sa korte.